Are you looking at the Jesus star? Oh my goodness, there's one of Santa's reindeers. Rudolph? No, I think that one's Prancer. Prancer!
Hey, who does he look like?
Prancer?
No, Beauty and the Beast.
He does.
Like
We're at the park, and it looks like Santa will be registering us in here. Okay, Santa. Well, hello everybody. We're going to feed the animals, let most of them out, and we're getting ready for Christmas. So let's get started this morning and let's go to work. Well guys, as the day has went by, we're eating Cheez-Its. And Belle's being piggy like usual. Little Miss Helen's foot is doing just a little better, but she's gonna go up tonight. She's not gonna be with the rest of the chickens tonight. So, we will continue later on this evening to watch the Christmas star. Let's go up, come on. It's close to bedtime. Come on. Dinner time. Well, guys, if you can see the sky above, there's some clouds, and hopefully we'll be able to see the star tonight, the Christmas star. So let's keep our eyes out, and hopefully all this will go away. Which I'm seeing really beautiful skies right now, and I'll have to show them to you closer because there's pink, blues, and grays that are just absolutely beautiful. And I just can't believe how beautiful. Some of these clouds look like heaven. It just looks like oversized marshmallows, but it looks heavenly. So I'm gonna have to show you some of these clouds. So let me show you just what I'm seeing. Does that look like cotton candy to you? Just look. These are beautiful. Tonight, I'd like to invite you to come along with me because there's supposed to be the Christmas star out tonight. And I think really what it is the planets are lining up, and I think it's Jupiter and Saturn, but we're gonna call it the Christmas star. So this evening, I hope you all can come along with me and check out the star over here in southeast of the United States. All right, guys, we'll see you in a little bit. Are you looking at the Jesus star? Oh my goodness, we got a blizzard going. And it's supposed to drop down to 19 degrees, so the winter storm of 2020.